You're already up there.
Tell me to say something.
They might be a little hard.
She just go up there and burp in front of everybody?